Alright, welcome back to another video. Out and about with the boys, just had some food, gonna hit some roads, enjoy the day, Sunday. With a lot of bikes, got Jigsaw, R6, got the Zeds, got a lovely, new to him, MT-09, Gen 2. Just waiting on Wayne, which has got BMW. But yeah, welcome back to another video. Hello. He can't hear me. Yeah, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone's doing really well. Out and about with the boys today. Just literally just went and got some breakfast. I think everyone's like wanting to go home, so I'm going to stay out, probably head towards like Whiteways way. But yeah, little updates. It's been pretty rough couple of months, to be straight honest with you. I haven't uploaded in like a month, but yeah, it's been pretty rough for me at the moment due to like my work. But we've got some good news. Everything's going to be all right, so that's good. Off to France in September. I've got a bug in my lid. Go away. There we go. But yeah, off to France in September 16th. Over there for 3 days. Really looking forward to that. So I'll try my utmost best to get some footage. But it's France, yeah, and I've got to carry a lot of stuff. So hopefully it'll be a good time. Matty boy, and that's his new MT-09. He's loving it. Absolutely loving it. Ah! He's probably like, why is your intercom off? Because I'm doing a YouTube video, I'm so sorry. I think we're off to Greenbridges first. We'll have a little look around, see what motorbikes are up there, and then yeah. Hopefully like the mic situation, everything's alright now. But I've been having some trouble. I've had to get a dead cat. Yeah, it's been pretty shitty, but hopefully there's hardly any wind noise. Yeah, I've gone back to an ND filter. I tried without, and I just didn't like the way it looked. There was no like motion blur or anything, so I've gone back to an ND filter. Got a new chain and sprocket coming as well. Gone Renthal rear sprocket. I've gone down a tooth on the front, so it gives me a little bit more acceleration. Not that I need it on an MT-09, but it'd just be quite nice. I like the punch that the triple gives, like the torque, etc. So yeah, done that. Looking forward to that. That should be done this week sometime. We've got Brighton Burn Up as well on the, I think it's the 4th of September. I might be wrong on there. But yeah, I'm looking forward to France, looking forward to September, big time. I'll put a clip now. I did go up to Bike Shed London for my birthday. Unfortunately, I was going to be going up there the week before, so it landed just after my birthday, but I ended up in hospital with quinsy throat, so I had to delay it till the following week. But yeah, here's a clip of me going through the calf. Shut up! Wow, well that's something different, isn't it? Going through the calf to park your bike. Now, as you can see, that's pretty freaking sick. What an experience. What an experience that is. I absolutely loved Bike Shed London. Highly recommend if you're in the area or looking to go there. Highly recommend. It's so good, so good. I can feel there's a tight spot in my chain. I can feel it, and it's so annoying. But yeah, I've got a new chain sprocket. DID 525 gold chain with gold wrist sprocket. It's gonna look so good with those with the blue wheels. It's gonna look lovely. Here he is. Oh, look at that pin throttle already. Link in the description below if you want to grab one of those. Looking good, Luca. Looking good, mate. Thanks for grabbing one of those. I appreciate it, bud. You can't beat a Sunday out on the bikes with the lads. You really can't. I live for this. This is my thing, for sure. But yeah, hopefully there won't be any freezing. I've had some problems with my memory card. I put the wrong memory card in my GoPro, and yeah, it was freezing, and it was so inconsistent. But now where I've got a new card, it should be alright. Should be a lot better. Wow, that BMW is beautiful. Wow, these roads are lovely! Ooh. Damn, okay. Lovely Porsche Audi R8. Thank you very much. Dog taking a dump, lovely on a Sunday morning. Whoa, that sounds good with that Acura, Wayne. Damn, okay. But yeah, sorry for the lack of uploads. I mean, it's been absolutely manic. I've not really had time to get on the GoPro, and I filmed up in London the other weekend. But the footage didn't look good. There wasn't really anything happening. We were in a lot of traffic. I was just like, nah, it's just not enjoyable to watch. I was scrubbing through it, and it was just, you guys don't want to see me filtering through traffic. That shit's boring. Oh, it's such a shame this place is closed. I really wanted to test ride a H2. Here she is. People haven't seen it. Ooh. Oh, that does sound good, Wayne. That does sound good. Oh, I get to have a go on a Gen 2, where I fall in love with quick shifters. Matt's gonna have a go at mine. Yeah, so I'm chatting to myself. Oh, Gen 2, quick shifter. There's always one. Whew, sounds good. Oh, look at her, she looks so good. Matt's going to have a go on that because it's got ECU flash. She's going to give that a go. That's the worst one.
1 hour later.
I hate Aprilias.
2 hours later. 3 hours later.
And she's alive! And she is alive. Alright, I'll end the video there. I really appreciate you guys watching. Sorry I haven't really been uploading that much. I mean, I've been super busy with work, etc., as I explained earlier. But yeah, I appreciate you stopping by, watching the video. Yeah. If you could drop a comment, a like, maybe subscribe as well. Slowly getting to 1,000. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.